What is this town called? Let's check it.
Hitsacker.
We are in Hitsacker today. We are experiencing this Stellplatz experience here in Germany. What is this town called?
I don't know.
Let's check it.
Just check it. Hitsacker.
We are in Hitsacker today and we are experiencing this Stellplatz place in Germany.
This was the first Stellplatz that we were in Germany on our first trip. Yeah, it was the first time that we were actually traveling in Europe with the camper van, so back then this Stellplatz experience was totally new to us. Now we are old-timers and we know how everything works. Pretty nice place to spend the night, just beside the Hitsacker. And yeah, town is like just around the corner. I'm just now going there for toilets, so our own composting toilet can have a free day. And after that we can actually pack things up on our van. There is a vet in this town. Gonna drive there and get the echinococcus treatment for bulla, so we can go back to Finland. Elbe River. Yeah, almost every spring it outflows, and here is how high it has been. Yeah. We are 40 meters higher than the Elbe River normally, but in 2013 the water was here, and 2011 it was here. So the whole place has been flooded, which is quite horrible. They have a pump house here, so these large pumps in this house, so when the water comes to the city they will pump it to the fields behind the city, so trying to actually avoid the damage, but 2013 yeah, it was too much. They have even showers in here. Yes, good local doctor. We got the echinococcus treatment done. It cost €5, so this I think is the cheapest that we have got it. Yeah, nice little clinic. They have actually their bigs that they are treating at the moment. So it's a local doctor that does every animal around. Yeah, echinococcus, it's just a pill that you need to give to the dog, while the doctor just looks beside you and he writes it down in the passport that you have actually taken it, and then it's okay. Yeah, we are a bit rushing a bit. Now we're gonna go to Lübeck. We need to go now shopping that we want to buy, and we are old people. We already bought coffee. If you ask about what old people buy from a sale in Finland, they always buy coffee, because coffee is sale only once in a month.
Yeah.
And then they buy it a lot. And we did also 6 or 7 packs of coffee.
Coffee for whole summer.
Yeah. It was here €3, when in Finland the cheapest is €6. So we 6.6. We just saved €20 for the next 3 months. But if you add it up, everything that we bought, for example, we bought tofu, which is half the price than in Finland. We saved that €20, and again €20. Beer, €40. That's why people always buy a lot of stuff in Germany when they go back in ferry.
Vets here in Germany, they are always private. They can cost like €1 to €100.
But this was the cheapest, €5.
Yeah.
We have actually experienced. Our average is 25-ish euros for the echinococcus treatment. I think in Estonia they took €10 to their own pocket.
2 dogs.
2 dogs. Okay, it's €5 then.
Yeah. But Sweden was quite expensive, but we booked at the time, so there was like a fish fee and everything.
Yeah. But now we go to Lübeck.
You have to do that. Yes.
1.5 hour drive. Yay! Again, familiar places. We just actually went over the Elbe River and we have drove this section of the Germany. Before! Yeah. When you get older, you always go to the same places where you have been already. So it gives you relaxed feeling when you can actually know what is in front of you. Finnish flag. Why? We are adhering to normal gender roles, so Sarah is cleaning up. No, I just cleaned up the most of the van. We have now packed our van, everything ready, so we're gonna go near the harbor. What we did here, shopping a lot. We bought a lot of things that we wanted, for example, pizza Gewürz and some gin and hummus, tofu. So all of those things that are not that expensive in Germany, and we want to buy them, so we save some money when we are living in Finland again. Couple of things also which we did was change the light bulbs, not just one but two, because I changed one and another got broken very next day. And you know, when you go to do a MOT, you don't want to have any extra things on the engineer's mind while doing the test, because yeah, we have the LPG filling over here, but I think it raises so much questions on an MOT engineer that we took it off, because it took time, like 15 minutes, and it's much easier to go to MOT with no possibility to get extra questions. It's always good to be safe and sorry on those things. Yeah, you don't really know MOTs. They usually go well, but when they go bad, they go really bad.
We had a little mishap and our crawl lamp got broken, but Joni did fix it and glue it, and now the Edgar has his legs and it's back on the wall again and giving our brightness and shyness to our journey. Van is super clean. We are going to go empty our grey water and our pea bottle and then continue eating the döner kebab. So before we cross the border, we will fill up our diesel tanks with the somewhat cheap diesel, 1.60 euros per liter. Yesterday the diesel was much cheaper, but now we don't have time, so we have to take this rather expensive. But this one is still almost 40 cents cheaper than in Finland, so that's why we are filling up our diesel tanks here in Germany. Lot of money spending past few days. Traveling is so expensive. Whew. It's a döner and Werner time.
I don't know what the veggie version is, but these are huge. Yeah, it was the best döner place in the whole region. I always try to find the best one, which has plus 1,000 reviews.
This is the hugest portion I have ever seen.
But best part of this döner is that they make their bread in-house. So they don't use those ready-made.
How do I know this is vegetable? Okay, there is just veggies. Really?
It's a veggie. There's no Werner.
There's no protein.
Nope.
I should take the falafel one. This is just salad.
But when your diet is just meat, it's just meat.
Yeah. Aww. Luckily, I'm really well prepared, because vegetable food can be sometimes pretty tricky. But is it yours is good?
This is really good. I think this was better the last one in that small town, but this is really good. Now I have falafels.
Yeah, it's known fact when you come to Germany and you go back to Finland. Through Travemünde you go to the Sari Berner's shop. But if you want to buy a bulk stuff, a lot of stuff, and you are not willing to carry them from the store to your van, then there is one warehouse just around the corner where you can actually park your van just beside the warehouse and you can use pallets to get your beer inside. We bought 3 cases of beer, Finnish beer. There was a couple of good summer ale and also IPA, and good or best bulk lager what is found in Finland, Sandels. Yeah, I think it was 11 euros per case. And some wines for Sarah. Yeah, we bought souvenirs for our friends from City Market and then came here to buy stuff for ourselves.
Prost to
Prost.
Germany. Auf Wiedersehen.
We call this plastic bag beer picnic in Finland. Pussikalja picnic.
When you cannot afford to go to bar.
And you go to the local park to drink a beer, and you go in the evening time to the bar, and you don't have to drink that much when you are young and you don't have money. So it's pussikalja, plastic bag beer. But this time we have cold beer. Usually it's warm. This is an adult type of plastic bag beer.
Fine.
Fine dining.